Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get paid $16 an hour on Kick streaming. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Kick has introduced the Creator Incentive Program, which compensates selected streamers with an hourly pay rate, reportedly starting at $16 an hour. This initiative aims to support creators by providing a stable income in addition to the platform's favorable 95/5 subscription revenue split. So the current status of the program, so they got an initial phase. So as of now, where are we now? In April of 2025, Kick has onboarded 33 streamers into the program with average viewership ranging from 10 to 1500 viewers, and also expansion plans. So Kick plans to expand the program in phases with additional streamers being added on specified dates. And now, why these specific requirements may evolve. Reports suggest that to qualify for the $16 per hour compensation, streamers may need to stream a minimum of 4 hours daily for 30 days in a month, maintain active interaction with their chat during streams, and ensure their face is visible throughout the stream as well. Now, how you get started. So you need to begin by creating engaging content and growing your audience on the platform. You need to stay updated as well. So check Kick's official channels and announcements for updates on the Creator Incentive Program and application opportunities. And then once applications open, ensure you meet the specified criteria and submit your application as per provided guidelines. Now, you need to make note that the program is still in early stages and details may change as Kick continues to develop its platform and support for creators.